How to manage calls vibrate on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage calls vibrate on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and then click notifications and scroll down until you find vibrate here and click on it. And here you can manage it. You can turn it off or make it default or short and long, and that's it. Then just manage here anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.